Celebrating over 150 years, BASF has employees around the globe that teach hands-on, inquiry-based science to our youth. BASF creates chemistry for a sustainable future.
Welcome to BASF Science Club. I'm Stephanie with BASF, here with my daughter Delaney. We're going to show you how to make a closed terrarium, a self-contained environment perfect for plant growth. With closed terrariums, light and heat can enter through the glass, encouraging soil and plant evaporation. This water vapor then condenses on the glass and falls down to the bottom like rain.
They're easy to make, you just need these few items.
Choose plants that will have room to grow in the space.
First, cover the bottom with an 1.5-inch thick layer of small stones.
We'll add a thin layer of activated charcoal to keep the water fresh and fight off any bacterial growth.
Now add enough potting soil for our plants to root.
Now we'll add our plants, starting with the largest plant first. We'll nest it into the soil and then have fun adding the rest.
Finish with a layer of pebbles.
Put your terrarium in a sunny spot and water about every 2 weeks or if the soil looks dry. Go to abc11.com/science club to find more on this project. And visit us on Facebook to share your results.
Thanks for watching BASF Science Club.